Hi, my name is Kath and I work for Sally Holland, and this month we are going to be talking about Article 27, the right to proper house, food and clothing, and governments must help support families who need it. So this is the right of the month for May and June, and we're going to give you a bit of a creative challenge to think about designing your own house and clothing and shelter for what you think would be ideal. So you could use Lego, you could use pen and paper, draw it, you could do it online. Having a think about what do you think as a child growing up you need in terms of a good shelter and appropriate food and clothing to grow up. And have a little think about, if you don't get this, who can you turn to for support? If you are going to be designing your dream shelter, food and clothing, have a little go and have a think about which adults can help you achieve this. Good luck.